Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Open Facebook on desktop or the app and go straight to your profile. Once there, tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings and find Privacy. This is where friend visibility lives. You'll see who can see your friends list. Choose Public, Friends, or Custom. Pick Custom only if you want precise control, because it hides friends from everyone not selected. Make this change first. It directly controls the how and why of friend visibility across desktop and mobile. Once your basic privacy is set, refine who sees which connections by using friend lists. Create a custom list for people you want visible, and add or remove contacts accordingly. Then, make sure your profile sections don't override that. Edit timeline and about visibility so friends isn't exposed inadvertently. Also, check tagging and review settings so others can't tag or display connections you hid. These mid-level controls stop accidental exposure and let you manage visibility with precision, so changes work consistently across posts and profile views. Now finalize and test. Use View as to preview your public profile and a specific person's view so you see exactly what others see. Once done, log out or open a secondary account to double-check friend list visibility on both desktop and mobile. If hidden friends still appear, clear the app cache, update Facebook, and review blocked or restricted lists. Sometimes sync issues or cached data reveal stale info. Make sure to revisit privacy periodically, because Facebook updates can reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.